Welcome back to Mastering Payload CMS 3, Building Modern Full-Stack Applications. In this lesson, we'll explore how to integrate external APIs with Payload CMS to enhance your application's capabilities. Connecting to external APIs allows you to enrich your content, synchronize data, and automate workflows with third-party services. By the end of this lesson, you'll have the tools to expand the functionality of your applications seamlessly. Payload CMS offers powerful API capabilities that make it easy to interact with your application's data. REST API. This API provides full CRUD operations for your collections and globals. It is ideal for front-end applications or external integrations. For example, you can use the REST API to dynamically fetch blog posts for a client-facing website, ensuring real-time updates to your content. Additionally, it's perfect for powering mobile apps or interactive dashboards that require frequent data retrieval. Local API. This API enables server-side operations directly within your application, bypassing network latency for faster, secure access. For instance, the local API is perfect for performing batch updates or automating internal workflows that require direct database interaction. It's also useful for running scheduled tasks like data imports or reports generation. By choosing the appropriate API for your use case, you can ensure optimal performance and functionality for your application. When working with external APIs, it's essential to secure your interactions. Payload CMS supports API key authentication, ensuring that only authorized services can access your data. Here's how to set it up. 1. Enable API key authentication. In your collection configuration, set Use API key to True in the auth settings. 2. Generate an API key. Once Use API key is enabled, navigate to the Payload admin panel and generate an API key for the relevant user. Copy the key and store it securely. 3. Use the API key. To authenticate API requests, include the key in the authorization header. This approach ensures secure communication between your application and external APIs, safeguarding sensitive operations, ensuring that only authorized services can access your data. Hooks in Payload CMS allow you to inject custom logic at specific points in a document's lifecycle. They are highly versatile and can be used to validate data, synchronize with external APIs, or trigger additional workflows. For example, an AfterChange hook can notify users via Slack when content is updated, ensuring teams stay informed in real time. Similarly, a BeforeChange hook can integrate with an AI tool to generate automatic summaries for long-form content before saving. This versatility makes hooks an essential tool for automating tasks and integrating external workflows seamlessly. Let's consider an example. Imagine you want to fetch data from a third-party API and store it in your Payload CMS collection. You can use a BeforeChange hook to automatically call the external API during the creation of a new document. This approach streamlines data management and ensures your content is always enriched with the latest information. Integrating external APIs with Payload CMS opens up a world of possibilities. For example, enriching content. Use external APIs like OpenWeatherMap to fetch live weather data for blog posts or integrate with IMDb to enhance movie reviews with metadata. This adds dynamic, real-time information to your content, improving its relevance and engagement. Data synchronization. Sync your Payload CMS collections with third-party tools like HubSpot for CRM data or Google Analytics for tracking user interactions and engagement. This ensures consistent, accurate data across platforms without manual updates. Automated workflows. Trigger payment processing with Stripe or send notification emails via SendGrid when content updates occur in Payload. These workflows reduce manual effort and streamline processes, enabling faster responses to user actions. These examples highlight how API integrations can make your applications more dynamic, interconnected, and efficient. To ensure successful API integrations, keep these best practices in mind. Error handling. Always anticipate potential failures when interacting with external APIs. For example, implement retry logic with exponential backoff for failed requests or provide fallback content to maintain a seamless user experience. Log errors systematically to monitor and debug issues efficiently. Security considerations. Protect sensitive data by storing API keys in secure environment variables and validating all incoming data from external sources to prevent malicious inputs. Use HTTPS to encrypt all communications. Performance optimization. Use caching libraries like Redis or tools like Varnish to store frequently accessed API responses, reducing the load on external systems and improving response times. Additionally, handle API rate limits gracefully by queuing requests and spacing them appropriately. Utilize lazy loading or pagination for large datasets to optimize memory usage and responsiveness. Following these practices will help you build robust, reliable integrations that enhance your application's capabilities. To recap, integrating external APIs with Payload CMS allows you to enrich your content with additional data, synchronize information across systems, and automate workflows for better efficiency. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into advanced customization techniques, taking Payload CMS to the next level. See you there!